Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in into your Prime Video on phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Prime Video app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the Prime Video app on your phone. Now on your screen, you can see options like create new account or sign in. Under sign in, they will ask you for email or phone number. All you have to do is type in your email. Make sure you type in your email correctly, or you can also give your phone number which is linked with your Prime Video account. Tap on continue, then they will ask you for your password. All you have to do is give your correct password. Make sure you don't make any mistakes while you type in your password. And all you have to do now is tap on sign in. And guys, they might ask you for a verification code which will be sent to your mail. If not, and your device is saved, then you'll be signed in to your Amazon Prime account. Now all you have to do is select the account from which you watch, and guys, that's it. That's how you sign in into your Prime Video on phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.